Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to browse on Instagram posts by Facebook Dating. Maybe you want to explore on Facebook Dating, so you want to browse on Instagram through Facebook Dating. So today, I am going to show you on how you can browse on Instagram posts by Facebook Dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you are in here, simply tap this heart button to go to the Facebook dating. Once you are in this Facebook dating, you have to scroll down and you will see here more to explore. Below that, you will see this browse Instagram post. Tap on it. And after that, you'll be directed into this Instagram post. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down to browse it. There you go! If you wanted to know on how you can browse Instagram posts on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can browse on Instagram posts by Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.